Hey guys, welcome back to Joe Tutorial, and if you're new, a special welcome to you. Now guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to align your icons on your taskbar. So if you look at my taskbar currently, my icons are currently in the middle, but I'm going to show you how to align them, right? To put them to the side. Now, how do you do that? Just simply right click on the taskbar and go to taskbar settings. Then you want to click on taskbar behavior. Right now, once you do that, you can see the taskbar alignment and it's to the center. Now, if I click this drop down, you realize I also have left. So if I click on left, you realize no, my icons have now moved to the left. Very nice and organized, right? Now, if I do go to the middle again, they jump back to the middle, go back to the left, they jump back to the left. And that's all there is to it. Now, once you do that, guys, all you have to do, just go ahead and close out and your icons will be aligned either to the left or to the middle. Now guys, I really hope that you found this tutorial very helpful, and if you do, go ahead and give this video a like and share your comments below. I'd really appreciate that. And if you're seeing the channel for the first time, welcome to Joe Tutorial. I'm Anjo, and I really appreciate if you hit the subscribe button below to help grow this community, and also so that you'll never miss out when I release another helpful tutorial just like this one. Thank you very much and see you next time.